Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video. Yes, I'm back, and yeah, let's just say this is my first video of being back. In today's video, I want to show you how I make my delicious fish sauce, and I'm pairing this with some fried sweet potatoes. Actually, I woke up this morning and I was craving this particular meal, and I didn't feel like spending my money on it. Guess what I did? I made an advert on my WhatsApp that it will be available, and of course, someone is paying for it. Let's go, guys. So first thing first, I'm going to season my fish. This one is very simple. Go ahead and season your fish with your favorite seasoning. You can as well fry your fish, but I like to steam it a bit, and I will add a very little amount of water, just so all of the water dry in there. Okay, so you just want to do your thing, add all your favorite seasoning like I'm doing. I'm adding some ginger powder, I've added fresh garlic already, I've added my curry, I'll add some black pepper for flavor, just anything that you feel like you can use. Okay, so like I said, someone is paying for this meal. This is because as a food vendor, this is what we do. Sometimes you just want to eat something, but you don't want to spend your money. And of course, you know, when you make adverts of it, like, oh, this thing will be available today, someone for sure is going to be interested. So that's exactly what I did. I made an advert on my WhatsApp that, oh, fish sauce and fried potato will be available today. And of course, someone was very interested. Not even one person, like 2 persons were interested. And yeah, I'm going to use their money to make this meal, and we are going to enjoy. Case closed. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to add a bit of water to this, and I'm going to steam it. All of this water is going to dry back in the fish to give it all of the flavor that I need. Next up, I'm going to blend my pepper mix. I added some shombo, tomato and fresh pepper in there, and some onions as well, and I'm going to give this a rough blend. And yeah, that's basically how it is. And the next thing I'm going to do is to cut my potatoes in my desired taste shape. Okay, you can do whatever you want. You can boil your potatoes, you can use boiled yam. Like, this sauce is so nice. I actually used the remain of it to make spaghetti, and it was so good. So go ahead and do whatever you like with this sauce, but yeah, this is what I was craving for, sweet potatoes, and that's exactly what I did, and my customers enjoyed it as well. So I'm just going to go ahead and keep this aside and continue with my potatoes. Then we'll be back to make the sauce. So once I was done with all of the prepping, I went ahead and fried my potatoes. You can see I'm adding water to this potato. That's because I don't want it to be like very dry. I want it to cook before it's fried. Okay, I guess you understand what I mean. Okay, so yeah, that's exactly what I'm doing. And by the way, if you're part of the people or one of the persons that comment that, oh, you talk too much in your videos, please, I don't want to lose you. I really want you to watch my videos. So what you need to do is to reduce or just mute it, okay? Mute the volume and just watch the videos. I appreciate that you enjoy my videos, but you just feel like, oh, the talking is too much. My apologies. Some people like it, and because you have a solution by muting it, I'm not going to stop, okay? Just to please those that like it. For you that doesn't like it, I will really appreciate if you can just mute it and continue watching. Don't go away. So next up, I'm going to debone my fish. I don't want the bones in there. I'm using mackerel fish, the original mackerel. So I'm just going to debone my fish. You can see the sauce over there. I'm still going to add the sauce to my prepared sauce. Okay, so I'm just deboning my fish, and yeah, just enjoy the video, guys. And if you're still watching till now, guys, and you haven't subscribed, you haven't even leave me a comment, it doesn't have to be comment about the video. You can just leave me ads or say welcome back. Of course, this is my first video back. Go ahead and do all of that. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment on this video, because I really appreciate when you show me such love. Go ahead and do all of that. Thank you, and thank you, and thank you. So guys, let me use the opportunity to appreciate and welcome my new members. I have over 6,000 of you from the end of January to now, because I remember the last time I was here, I celebrated 25,000 subscribers, and as at this moment we have 31,000 plus of you. So I want to say a very big welcome. Thank you for choosing me. Thank you for watching my videos, for leaving me your comment. Even if I haven't had time to respond to a lot of you, I am going to do that as time goes, or even I'm going to make a video to answer most questions. Okay, so if you have more questions, go ahead and leave it in this comment section. Thank you so much for subscribing. I hope you're enjoying the house. I hope you're enjoying my videos. I hope you are here to stay. Thank you so much. Please don't stop watching, don't stop liking, don't stop commenting. I'm big at replying comments. I'm so sorry I've been away, so I might not have replied you recently, but sure, I'm going to do that. My name is Tiana of Temilayo and Mom channel. I'm an entrepreneur based in Osogbo, Nigeria. I create content as well here on YouTube as you are watching. I love to talk about my business, how I cook, what I do, and I hope you have seen that and you're enjoying yourself here already. So let me brief you on our uploading days. Even if you haven't experienced me uploading in these days already, I am going to resume and start doing just that. I upload 3 times a week. That's Monday, Wednesday, and Fridays, 7 p.m. Nigerian time or West African time. Okay, so those are my uploading days and time, and I hope you are going to come to check on our videos. And while you're waiting on that, why not click the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I have a new video. You don't need to check. You will just be notified by YouTube whenever I have a new video. Okay, so go ahead and click on that notification bell, turn on your notification, and YouTube will do the rest for you. I really appreciate you coming to my channel, and I really want to keep you engaged. So go to the comment section and let me know what kind of video brought you here and what kind of video you would like to watch more about. On my channel, I upload videos about my business, how easy I do my business. Also, I upload videos on the food I make in my house, like I'm doing now. This is business stroke what I want to eat in my house, so you can just watch and enjoy. You get what I mean, right? So I'm a food content creator, and yeah, I'm looking forward to work on my Instagram, and I will appreciate if you can as well follow me on my Instagram, Tiana_Tabansi. I'm going to work on that because I want to upload short videos over there for you guys. Okay, so do me well to follow me on my Instagram and also on my Facebook page, Temilayo and Mom Recipes. All of this is for you guys, so show me love and subscribe to all of those platforms. Yes, I have gone ahead to finish up with my sauce. I added some crayfish seasoning powder, and I remembered I had some smoked catfish in my house, and I added a bit of that, and guys, the flavor went from zero, or it wasn't in zero, sorry, it was in 80. It went from 80 to 100 at once, because this smoked catfish is a game changer, and it actually add all of the flavors that we completed. I added some crayfish as well. You can see my onions is showing off over there, and yeah, this sauce is so good. Let me know in the comment section if you are going to be trying this. It's so simple, and yeah, this is the finished look. I'm just going to plate it out for my client, and I'm going to enjoy mine, of course. So like I said, welcome to my channel, and thank you so much for watching my videos. I love you guys so much.